On today's episode of Drive Time Real Estate Question and Answers, we're going to talk about the advantages of VA loans and FHA loans. My name is Doug Herron. I'm with Herron Real Estate and eXp Realty, and I've sold over 1,000 houses in Tipton and Hamilton counties. And part of my job is to turn all this legal mumbo jumbo into plain English so everybody can understand. We're going to start off with VA loans. VA loans can only be obtained by people that were honorably discharged from the armed services. The biggest advantage to a VA loan is you can actually buy a house with zero down payment. That's a pretty big advantage in today's market. One of the other advantages is there is no PMI insurance on the VA loan. And the third big advantage is you can actually have a higher debt-to-income ratio, which means for the same income, you can qualify for a bigger mortgage. Well, that may or may not be an advantage. I guess it depends on how you look at it, because you don't want to get what they call house poor and have a massive mortgage payment but not have any money left to enjoy the rest of your life. But you have to look at that based on your own individual circumstances. The advantages to FHA loans are pretty similar to the VA loans. First one being you can get by with less of a down payment than a conventional mortgage. A conventional mortgage takes 20%. With FHA, you can get by with 3.5%. You can even get a gift from a family member to cover that down payment, so you don't actually even have to save the money yourself. One of the other advantages is you can have a lower credit score and still qualify for an FHA mortgage. In fact, if you come up with 10% for a down payment, you can get a loan with a credit score of only 500 sometimes. There is mortgage insurance premiums, PMI, on FHA loans, where you do not have those with conventional loans. And we will discuss mortgage insurance and PMI in another episode, because I'm sure some people are wondering, what the heck is PMI? That is it for today's episode of Drive Time Real Estate Question and Answer. So if you find that helpful, be sure and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got questions you'd like to have answered, send them over to me and I'll do my best to get it answered for you. Talk to you next time.